Millions of light years away, out in space beyond the sizzling sun, a gigantic battle. Which race will win and rule the universe? Battle beyond the sun.
Hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. Eddie and I are heading into town to see what kind of adventures will bring. Can't really do much work here today. There is a whole lot of snow, and it's really windy. So, not a good day to do work outside, that's for sure. Wow. Yeah, this was all plowed yesterday before the wind came. That's how we knew the storm was over, because the wind now comes and it's treacherous. Whew. Let's see if we get him started. Come on, Billy Ray. All right. Let him warm up a little. I'm going to drive down the road. There might be some big drifts, so I'm going to plow it a little, and then my Jeep's down there. Oh, please don't. Jeez. Really? Things stalled right in front of my Jeep. That's a horrible place to freaking stall, Billy Ray. What if you ran out of gas? Yeah. Alright, good timing. I ran out of gas right at the end of the road. I guess that's why I was hesitating coming down. I thought it was a joke, but it's not. But I could definitely drive around this. Not a problem for Daisy. And that road will not be a problem either. So the sun just came out, so I thought I'd take a little walk along the fresh snow. Boy, it's deep. Look how beautiful. See the stage? Wow. It sure is magical. And deep. Wow, look at that. Woo! The hawk is out today. That's for sure. It's funny, the wind's picking up as the sun's going down. It's a nice little spot of clearness there. Just It's now being taken over by the wind. Eddie! Mr. Eddie Murphy! He probably went up because it's so windy. He's a smart one. There he is. What are you doing, Eddie? What are you doing? Come here. You want to go see Johnny Cat? You want to go upstairs? You want to go upstairs? Come on. Yep, we're going up there. Let's go get Johnny Cat. Alright, guys. Sun's going away. Just wanted to show everybody a little bit of the beauty and the fresh snow in the quarry at the Dennis Allen homestead. So fresh and so clean, people. Eddie, go up, upstairs. Go up. Come on, you gotta move out of my way, buddy. Yep, I guess we're walking. That's not a guess. That's a reality, folks. Whew. So that's what you miss by living out here. A nice, easy front driveway. Alright, let me put my bag on and get some stuff out and make the trudge. Doo-doo-doo. You ready, Eddie?
Yep.
Let's get going. Oh, mamma mia. I just kicked Eddie in the face. Not as a funny thing, but I guess he's walking too close to me. Whew. Oh, wow. See all the brown? Eddie, what are you doing, mister? What are you doing? Anyway, you see all the brown? That's erosion from all that dirt. See, the dirt just blowing away. Oh man, I hate that. I planted some cover crops, but they didn't really take. Eddie, how are we gonna make it up there? Whew. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where's Johnny Cat? Where's Johnny Cat? Where's Johnny Cat? Go get him. Go get him. Alright, come on, let's go. We gotta make it up here. Woo. You're cheating. He's in better shape. Woo. So, definitely beautiful outside. It is rottenly cold and windy. That's the worst thing, is the wind. Whew. I've always underestimated wind because it's like, whatever. Doesn't make it any colder, but it does make it colder. Bitterly cold. Oh man. This morning I cleaned out my solar panels. And there they are. Woo. Amazing. Eddie Murphy, you want to go inside? I think we're going to go inside. I'm out here recording and carrying groceries. Wonder why I'm so tired. Alright guys, I'll see you all later. Yeah, that was a gunshot. Yeah, those are gunshots. So I'm going to step out of the Airstream right now and take a peek outside. I'm doing a voiceover right now. I don't know if you can tell. I'm sure you can. But it is way too windy out there for the audio to pick up. It kind of looked like I was on Mars if it was a cold, snowy place. You can see all that snow? Look at the drift right there. Those are my solar panels that I had uncovered this morning, and about an hour later they were like that. And you can see, because of the water storage tank, the snow doesn't accumulate behind it. It gets all blown away. I guess it's kind of air drift. But I hope you guys are liking my videos. I'm trying to put more work into them, do some editing, do some, I got better equipment now. This is being filmed on Osmo, the link below. I'm trying to do cool shots like this. And look at that, how beautiful that is. Probably can't get that quality on my cell phone, so I am trying a little something different here. It's been cold, haven't been getting a lot of work done. It's not really a good time to do things like that. So here's a little slow-mo action right there. Look at that. Anyway, guys, been watching some cool videos out there. The Prony dude, I'll put a link at the end of this. He's been reviewing other homestead videos, which I'm kind of really enjoying being a part of this community. You know, everybody talks about the other channels and everybody works together, so it's pretty exciting. I'm glad to be a part of it. Hope you guys are enjoying. If you like them, maybe share them with your friends. There's the Airstream. That's Teddy the Airstream, named after my grandmother. Alright guys, I hope you like it. I'll see you all later. Look out for the next video. Dennis and on out. So it's beautiful. Oh, and snots are falling out of my nose. Whew. Definitely want to cut that.